Well, the Halloween forecast, how's it looking for us?
Well, let's take a look.
Okay.
Right now, it's spectacular. We are looking at the Scarecast. Dry and low humidity. That's nice for the kids with all those costumes on. Nearly full moon, so it'll be bright out there. Clear skies, too. No clouds around. And to kick it off, right around 72 degrees by the time it's finished, usually by 9, around 65 or so. And no threat of any rainfall. Van Wezel webcam showing a beautiful day, albeit cool. In fact, a record-breaking today. High temperature, only 68 at the Sarasota Braden Airport. Look at this orange finish, too. Just in time for Halloween. A beautiful sunset we see right there from the Van Wezel webcam. And a photo sent in on a siesta. Cheryl, Jimmy getting this one, and beautiful shot, and no clouds around. A little bit of a high surf there, but the news is we've had some advisories over the weekend because of the strong winds. Those have since expired, and all week long we are anticipating seas to run less than 2 feet. Currently, it's pretty chilly, 55 degrees, clear skies and light winds and low dew points and very low humidity, making it feel very comfortable out there. Winds are calm and the pressure continues to rise. Very high pressure in demand or in control right now. High temperature, only 68 degrees today. The old mark was 70 set back in 2012. Normal high at 82. We'll get back to this number by Wednesday afternoon. So just a couple of days, this real cool air for the day. 91 the record set back in 2009. This morning's low was very chilly at 49. We should be close to this number again tomorrow morning to start things off. As far as the rainfall goes, we're going to end this month on a dry note, and it will 39/100 of an inch of rain below average. But look at the average for the year, well above it at 15.30 inches above average. And that's due mainly to the tropical systems that have been around. Well, notice a big contrast in temperatures. Holmes Beach at 64 right now, and you go to the Meadows, it's 54, 10-degree drop in temperature just because of the water temperature now, which is cooling. It's down to 72 right now. And the Meadows at 54, the same in Kensington Park, 1 degree warmer at Southgate, Osprey at 55, Palmer Ranch at 54, 55 in Northport, and 58 in Inglewood. Port Charlotte, you're at 54 degrees. And the forecast tomorrow calling for an absolutely outstanding day. Light winds, lots of sunshine, and temperatures only into the mid-70s with low humidity staying around. And it doesn't appear that it's going to change much for us as far as sunshine goes on Wednesday, but temperatures it will. We'll warm back up to near 80, 82 degrees on Wednesday afternoon, but no real threat of any significant rainfall. Temperature forecast as we drop through tonight, we'll drop down into the upper 40s here near the coast. And pretty much similar conditions in Naples and Melbourne, as well as into Orlando and Daytona Beach. So that's well below the average, which is typically around 62 degrees. We'll warm up tomorrow into the mid-70s in the afternoon, say 2, 3 o'clock, and then that will cool us down just in time for Halloween and trick-or-treat. Should be, as I said, starting off the trick-or-treat around 72, and then we'll cool down into the mid to upper 60s. And the forecast lows for Wednesday, not nearly as cold. We'll be back to more average temperatures by Wednesday morning. Lows into the mid to upper 50s, and then highs on Wednesday appear to be into the low 80s. In the tropics, all is quiet right now. We only have a month and just a couple of hours left before the official end of the hurricane season. We always watch the Western Caribbean, and you can see that front down there still kind of acting up, but water temperature is still in the mid to upper 80s. And we're watching this system. It could become a tropical system as it moves to the northeast. The National Hurricane Center dropping its chances down a little bit to 30%. They've been as high as 40%, but the future cast for us, not much rain in our future. It's looking pretty nice throughout this week and into the weekend. There's a frontal system approaching, but should not have a big impact on our weather. Northeast winds at 10 knots. Seas will be 1 to 2 feet with a light chop out there. Tides upcoming 4:44 for the next high tide. Low tide will be at 1:51. And the forecast tonight calling for clear skies, cool conditions, 48 for your low, well below average. Tomorrow, a beautiful day, 76 high temperature is well below the average, which is around 82. The extended forecast calling for warmer weather. Still not bad. It's not extremely hot. And remember, we gain an hour over the weekend. If you don't set the clock back 1 hour, you'll be early for everything on Sunday.